All right, man. Michigan Avenue at night. Of course, Chicago. Look at that. This is the nightlife. Big city. Goes all the way to Bloomingdale Shopping Center, Hancock Building, and where's the Hilton at? I know there's the Hilton. I think it's on the other side. Look at that. Tony Boy, thanks for working with me with the deal. We just been eating a lot of noodles, slurping, the art of slurping.
Creating a new business, tour.
Yep. All right. This is nice. And this is the park right here. Okay, and I know the Hilton out here is on the other side. Yeah. The Hilton Tower. I stayed there. Look at that. That's big.
Where? Oh, you did?
Yeah, on the other side.
Ah.
Yeah. That is nice. Right there's the Hilton. On the other side. Wow, big Hilton right there.
So, ayan.
That's the Hilton. I stayed there twice.
Wow.
Look at that.
Damn. Magkano per night?
Chicago Hilton.
How much per night?
Woo, nice. 400, I think.
Jeez.
I'm not sure, but look at that. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
It goes all the way up to the top. That is, I stayed on the other side. Nice.
Low? Low?
Padala mo kay Butch yung rug ng bathroom ni Nanay.
Alright. Mga butch.
Yes.
You,
Oh,
you gotta do us a favor, man.
yep.
Okay, oo daw.
Ha?
Oo
Yeah. Oh.
daw. Oo. Okay, bye.
Vacuum.
Hindi, yung rug.
Oh, rug. Okay. Lagyan lang natin sa. Tomorrow we'll put it sa ano.
Oo. Ito si Dana, may klase siya dito,
Dito.
sa DePaul.
Dipol.
Yeah, there's a...
Nice.
Pero Columbia yun.
Nice. Michigan Avenue. Lord, that looks nice, huh? Look at that.
Mainit yung araw.
Yes.
I like the shore drive na Lake Shore Drive ang ano.
Roosevelt University. Let's go into the loop.
Alin? Yeah.
Yeah.
No, there's a parking.
Parking? Nice building. Or Michigan Avenue. See, I don't understand why there is no street musician here.
Like COVID.
Oh yeah, COVID.
Fridays, baka. I think can beat that.
Yes, look at that. We're slowly going to the bridge. What is that building right here?
I don't know. Yeah,
That's Blue Cross Blue Shield. Bridge. Yeah, I walked down there. Cultural Center going all the way. The NBC still here.
should be. They don't move, man.
Millennium Park right there. Yeah, we were on the other side.
You wanna see the Philippines consulate? I think we passed it.
Yeah, we passed it.
May marijuana. Smell it?
Yeah.
That was smoking.
Yeah, that's where the
I think NBC is on the right side.
right donut stands.
Yeah,
there.
Max 32.
Nutella. Oh yeah, there. Fox 32.
And then ABC is on this side.
And then ABC.
Should be NBC.
Yeah, Lynch Crab.
ABC yata.
PNC. Yeah, ABC.
Or
sa
baka NBC there and then ABC yata dito.
Sweetwater.
Wala. I think ABC is here.
Yeah.
Usually at the end of the show, they'll have the camera.
Yeah. So we're about to cross the street. I mean the bridge. Right here. This one lifts up. Yes, there you go. Yeah. Yeah.
Don't wanna stop.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo. Surround mo.
So,
Kala mo magsusurround ka eh.
hindi. Alright.
Check.
It's a big building right there, tall. That's the Chicago Tribune, right?
I think so.
Yeah, Chicago Tribune right there. This is the life if you live here in Chicago. Chicago Tribune's old office right there. Chick-fil-A. Where's the Nike one? Nordstrom. Oh, it's Nordstrom. Under Armour.
Oh, Macy, I think they closed a couple of stores kasi during that
Okay.
store break.
Yeah, we went in here. We could park here. Look
yeah,
at that.
you gotta
Levi's, all kinds of. Oh, this is where that guy was singing. In Ontario and right here.
Ito, Starbucks dito.
Yeah.
Malaking nilang Starbucks.
Looks like a fire over there. Hancock buildings right there.
Alright, we're going towards the end of
I like
Michigan.
this one here.
I wanna turn around.
Starbucks. Okay.
Yeah. Yung Starbucks yan.
Yeah. Starbucks.
Alright.
Alright, you're gonna turn here.
Yeah, ito pa. Here's the water tower.
Water tower. And then next is Bloomingdale. Alright, that's the Water Tower Plaza. Look at that. Yeah, this is where. Alright. Woo! Big. Wow, the third tower place. Man, we walked from here and we were out there.
Layo dun ah.
Uh-huh. Bloomingdale. Then West End next to it. Not in downtown Fort Wayne, huh?
No.
He's overing.
Sino?
He's overing.
Over there. Over there.
Nice.
We're gonna make a turn.
Okay. Oh, no turn.
Oh, ano, not here. The next one.
Next one. Bloomingdale. Wait, there's Bloomingdale.
If you wanna go to ano, American Dollhouse, it's in here. So.
Okay. No, not that. No American Dollhouse for me. Okay, Drake's Hotel is on the other side
Yep.
of this. Okay. This is too big condominium. A friend of mine used to live here.
Wow.
Yeah. He was a detective.
Detective?
Yeah.
Ano ba?
I mean a private eye.
Oh.
So he makes a lot of money.
Uh-huh.
Alright guys. End of the... Oh. There's a lady right there. Okay. So yeah, I know that there's a big parking lot here. That is... there was... what do you call this? There was a hotel here. Oh, I
Oh,
forgot.
meron. May ano ba dito?
I know there was a big hotel here.
Oh, hotel, motel, holiday inn.
Yep. Alright.
Ah, damn. One way pala to.